Open the central armrest box and pry at the trim panel with the rocker. Remove the two fixing screws of the central control panel, and then pry the whole central control panel with a rocker and take it out. Remove all connecting wires behind the central control panel. There are many wires. Please take photos in advance to record the plug-in position. Remove the fixing screws of the original main unit and take out the main unit. Pry out the dust net of the central horn with the rocker and remove the two fixing screws fixing the original display screen. Pull the original display screen outward. Take out the original display screen, and then remove the power cord and LVDS block. Back to the host. Hold the eShell plug buckle of the host. Pull it back, and take out the eShell plug of the host. Connect the audio cable to the mic cable on the eShell cable. Route the eShell harness and the CA harness through the center dash to the base of the monitor. Match the OEM LVDS cable to the LVDS on top of the RCA cable. Remove the screws on the armrest box, take the box out, and find a suitable location to punch a hole for the ODL cable to pass through. Plug the audio out plug into the USB decoder, which is connected to the USB socket in the central armrest box. Restore the screws on the armrest box. Eject the Linux eShell cable to the stock eShell cable. Install the original host back to its original position. Confirm that it is installed in place, and then lock and fix the original host. Install the Linux screen base in place of the stock base and lock the screws. Restore the center console in order of the previously recorded cable jack locations and lock the center console screws. Connect the plugs of the Linux eShell harness and the CA harness to the back of the unit. Restore the center speaker touch screen to its original position. Ignition on. Power on the car. Check whether the Linux device can be started normally. And check whether all functions are normal.